Swing.
Level 1.
Patty, Brian.
A count.
A count, yes. Today was our first day. You guys did an awesome job. We started by learning that pattern that we started with. I'm following Brian's leading. I start with my right.
I start with my left.
And first we just did the simplified footwork where we went rock, step, boom, rock, step, boom, rock, step, boom, rock, step, boom. Then we held hands, we did a bunch of scoots. We did scoot, a scoot, a scoot, a scoot, and then scoot, a scoot, a scoot, a scoot. Then we put one of those scoots into that sequence that we had before. So we went rock, step, triple, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Do that 1,000,000 times if you want to practice at home. It will help so much for next week.
Then we talked about connecting with a partner and we did a few moves. We started with the flip-flop. Rock, step, flip. Hey, and flop. Rock, step, flip. Hey, triple step. We had the yo-yo where the followers go in front. Boom, triple, boing, a little rubber band feeling. Then we had the reverse yo-yo where the leaders go in front. Hey, all the way in front, boom. Boom, boom, hey.
After that, we put these all together. We did some leader's choice. We were dancing to music. You guys are doing awesome. We're gonna learn more stuff next week.